Are you struggling to create captivating video stories? Discover how you can easily transform text and images into dynamic videos. Using novel AI, you can generate immersive narratives tailored for your creative vision. Then, with Pictory, converting that content into stunning videos has never been easier. Start by copying text from novel AI and exporting generated images. Next, sign up for Pictory, paste your text, and let the AI auto-generate scenes and visuals. Customize your video with music and voiceovers to make it unique. Once you're satisfied, download it as an MP4 file in just a few clicks. Stand out with the power of AI in your storytelling. Here are some ideas you can start with, ready to elevate your content. Start your journey today.